So the other evening, I was flying my drone around sunset, trying to get some good footage of the sunset here, and I suffered a little accident. I wasn't really paying attention. I was trying to get some good footage, like I said, of the sunset, and also test out my new anti-collision lights. You can see it beeping there. And so I kind of launched it, and we do not have propeller guards on the drone, as you can see, just an open blade. And so I was being kind of silly, not paying attention, and check this out. I was trying to land the drone on this little narrow deck here while taking footage, and so I basically lost control of it, and it ended up coming into me and hitting me. I didn't actually get recording of that. I had, turned it off but it basically ran right into my arm and my leg, and dinged up the propellers a little bit here. Not too bad, so surprisingly durable. But I'm going to show you kind of where this hit. So one side obviously is less damaged because basically the right side, the two propellers on the right side are what impacted me. So it hit me first right here, and this is fresh, and then it kind of bounced down and hit me here on kind of the meat of my calf muscle. And then as it fell, it was still rotating, and it hit me on the ankle. So this is a DJI Mini drone, so super lightweight, super small, but definitely can cause laceration to exposed skin. So nothing to mess around with. I definitely learned to have a little bit more respect for the drone and to be paying attention. That is obviously an open rotating, very quickly rotating blade or propeller, right? Even though it's super soft and flexible, it can do a little damage. Now notice it's not too deep here. It didn't, actually break this, meaning like no stitches are required. It's pretty surface level, but it definitely was enough to draw blood. And so let me kind of reenact what that did. It hit me in the hand, and then it kind of fell this way. At some point, it maybe flipped over and hit like that or something. I don't know. But use propeller guards, or at the very least, just take caution when flying your drone. So hopefully this has helped you.